Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Savvy Commerce. My name is Ratna Dubey, and in this video I'm going to start with the topic outsourcing. And in this video I'll be explaining about the concepts of outsourcing, that is BPO and KPO. First of all, let us know that what is outsourcing. So, outsourcing is when any miscellaneous work of any company or any process is given to some other group of business or some other company on the basis of some contract, that becomes outsourcing. That means it is handing over its work to some other group of companies on the basis of a contract. Now, it can be done within the organization or outside the organization as well. That means, suppose if the company is having any subsidiary company, so it can give that work to that subsidiary company as well, right? Now, what is business process outsourcing? When any company or any organization hires other company to perform its business task and the process or its function, that means core operation of any company, the process related to that core operation is being handed over to some other company, then it becomes business process outsourcing. Now, they are giving it on the basis of some contracts. So, there would be a certain contractual service to any external company or group to complete that special work or the process of that company. That means the company which has taken that contract, now they have to perform that process or that special activity which has been given to them. Now they will perform those activity, and now further other main core activities will be performed by the own company. That means the company which has given the rest of the process will be performed by itself, but that some other functions that has been given, that will be performed by the other organization to whom this task has been given. Now let's take one example of business process outsourcing, how it works. We all know about this iPhone. So what Apple brand is doing, iPhone company gives the contract to manufacture its phone's battery to some Chinese company. They can decrease their cost and they can also focus on their core operation as well. So whatever the process that is involved in the manufacturing of batteries for the iPhones, now they are not manufacturing those batteries, they are just outsourcing to some other company where they are getting it at a very low cost. Now what is happening over here, iPhone's batteries are being manufactured by some Chinese company on the basis of this contract. So they have given this contract of manufacturing those iPhones battery to some Chinese companies. Now they will be able to focus on their core operation, and by this way they are also able to decrease their cost, they are able to decrease their expenditures, right? So this is business process outsourcing. That means any process or any business task or its function is being done by some other company, or it has been outsourced to some other company. This is business process outsourcing. Now, what are the scope or areas that are being involved in the BPO? Is back office outsourcing or it could be front office outsourcing? That means in back office outsourcing, it includes the functional areas like payment processing or bills purchase, data entry, or human resource related activities. And in front office outsourcing, it includes customer oriented services such as marketing, customer services, any kind of technical assistance if they are providing. So all these becomes front office outsourcing. Now the next one is KPO, that is knowledge process outsourcing. KPO means outsourcing of knowledge based process or task. That means if any person is having some kind of expertise knowledge or any kind of special skills, technical knowledge related to some field, so what the company will do, it will outsource to that company because they are having some kind of experience or expertise in that field. So instead of hiring that person in its own company, it will simply outsource that process to some other company. Let's take one example of KPO. Suppose any American company is there. Now that company is hiring any Indian chartered accountant to manage its all the accounting processes. So in that, instead of hiring that Indian chartered accountant, what the company is doing, they are simply outsourcing that so that they can reduce their cost and also get the expertise benefit as well, right? So knowledge process outsourcing is outsourcing of knowledge based process. Chartered accountant, they are having their own skills, they are having own technical knowledge and expertise in their field. So this becomes knowledge process outsourcing. Now, what are the scopes or areas that are involved in the KPO? Legal services, I can obviously outsource any legal services, medical services, any business and market research, computer programming, scientific field or research and development, any kind of animation or design related processes. So, all these are the areas that are being involved in the knowledge process outsourcing because they all involve certain kind of knowledge, certain kind of experience or expertise also. So I hope you all are clear with business process outsourcing and knowledge process outsourcing, that is BPO and KPO. In case if you are having any problem or any doubt in any topic, you can simply comment that. And if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel Savvy Commerce. And for any kind of query or any doubt, please mention that in the comment section. Thank you so much.